Common travel myths and mistakes. Traveling can be exciting, but there are many myths and mistakes that even experienced travelers fall for. Understanding these can save you time, money, and unnecessary stress. You always need to book flights months in advance. Reality. While booking early can sometimes save money, flight prices fluctuate. Use fare comparison tools and set alerts for deals. Last-minute discounts are also possible, especially for low-demand flights. Mistake. Paying too much for flights just because you think early booking always guarantees the cheapest fare. Travel insurance is optional. Reality. Travel insurance is essential. Medical emergencies, trip cancellations, lost luggage, or flight delays can be costly without coverage. Mistake. Skipping insurance to save money, only to face unexpected expenses that could have been easily covered. Packing light means you don't need essentials. Reality. Minimalist packing is smart, but forgetting essentials like chargers, medications, or travel documents can ruin your trip. Mistake. Assuming you can buy everything at your destination, which is not always possible or affordable. You must exchange currency before traveling. Reality. Many destinations accept credit, debit cards widely, and ATMs often provide better exchange rates than currency exchange counters. Mistake. Carrying large amounts of cash and risking loss or theft. Traveling solo is dangerous. Reality. Solo travel can be safe if you research your destination, stay aware, and follow basic precautions. Many solo travelers report life-changing experiences. Mistake. Avoiding solo trips out of fear, missing out on personal growth and adventure opportunities. You should only visit tourist hotspots. Reality. Tourist spots can be crowded and expensive. Local experiences, hidden gems, and off-the-beaten-path locations often offer more authentic experiences. Mistake. Spending your whole trip in tourist-heavy areas and missing unique cultural experiences. You can see everything in one trip. Reality. Trying to fit too much into a single trip leads to fatigue and stress. Quality experiences often matter more than quantity. Mistake. Overplanning your itinerary, rushing between locations, and failing to enjoy the journey. Travel is always expensive. Reality. Travel can be affordable with careful planning. Budget accommodations, public transportation, and local food can save a lot. Mistake. Assuming you need a huge budget to travel, which may prevent you from exploring affordable options. All travel apps are useful. Reality. Not every travel app is necessary. Overloading your phone with apps can be confusing, and some may not work abroad without internet. Mistake. Relying on too many apps and facing frustration when connectivity is limited. You don't need vaccinations for popular destinations. Reality. Even well-known destinations may have health risks. Checking recommended vaccines and health precautions before traveling is essential. Mistake. Skipping vaccinations and travel health advice, leading to preventable illnesses. Light bulb pro tip. Research ahead, plan realistically, and prioritize safety. Avoiding common mistakes makes travel smoother and more enjoyable. Don't miss out on more travel tips. Like, share, and subscribe for packing hacks and travel inspiration.